You also learned a lot of things about looking at different stocks.
Investing in their futures. 5 business students at Hilton Head Island High School are getting a real-world boost after winning big in a statewide stock market competition. The owner of the Piggly Wiggly at Coligny is honoring the students for their victory in the South Carolina stock market game by presenting them with an incredible opportunity to jumpstart their investment journey and begin building wealth beyond the classroom.
Each are going to get $250, and we're going to put that in a Roth account for them, and they can hold on to it, and once they get adult, they can do what they'd like. We're hoping from this they will learn and study and see what the best option is for them, and just gives them a little head start.
The students are amazed by his generosity and are excited to begin investing for real.
I think him motivating us is really going to be a big catalyst in our futures. I'm probably going to end up investing and putting it back into the market, and hopefully I just make some returns off of that.
I'll just put it in some savings account, just save it for college because I'm a senior, gotta have as much money as possible.
The presentation was made during a special luncheon where the grocery store owner praised the students for their financial literacy skills and forward-thinking approach to investing.
For me, one of the things about personal finance and finance in general is we don't teach our children enough, and our young people come out ill-prepared for life and about investments and looking out for their future. And I was so moved by the article, I said, I'd like to just reach out and do something.
For the SC Economic Stock Market game, high school teams start with a virtual $100,000 portfolio, trading stocks, bonds, and mutual funds over a 10-week period. These students, who were in a business finance class, grew their portfolio to nearly $160,000, earning the highest return and placing them first out of 700 teams across the state.
It's helpful for you to manage your money, and it really gives you a sense of how stocks work in the real world because it actually simulates that. So I think it's very important for our futures.
We looked at the stock market every single morning, and we just were looking at what was, doing well and what was not doing well. And when those were doing well, we added more money into that, and then as soon as they started falling apart, we sold them right away just to not lose any money.
The luncheon was organized by students in the Event Entertainment Management class, with food prepared by the school's culinary program. At Hilton Head Island High School, Ron Lopes, Beaufort County School District.
All right, give me a Piggly Wiggly smile.